If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end.
What are you doing out here today, Coach?
Right now we're just loading up all the trucks, getting them lined up and ready to roll back to Fresno. We took them to Wash Rack and PMCS, and we had to pick up some connexes and other equipment to get back to Fresno. And we're just lining them up, that way they're all ready.
All right, and are you being deployed personally?
Yes, I am.
And what's going to be your position when you're over there?
I'm the squad leader for 2nd Platoon, 1st Squad.
You ready to go?
Oh yeah, ready to go.
Excellent.
My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Whoa, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you.
Well, I'm Specialist De Leon, also known as Isaac Paul De Leon.
Okay, and what's your position?
I'm 88 Mike, guys. I do transportation.
All right, and what are you guys doing out here today?
Well, right now we're just loading up everything. We're making sure that we get all the trucks lined up before we get going back home. We're also putting everything together that goes on that truck. See, right now we have we call it Alpha and Bravo. It's the flat racks. We're making sure that the flat racks go to the same ones that the trucks go to, because they have different numbers going on.
Fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when
I'd just like to say, give us all your support, your prayers, and we'll be keeping you in our prayers. And everyone here is going to be going back home, so just be waiting for our phone calls and our letters. So I love you guys, love you, Mom, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
All right, thanks a lot.
Okay, all right, thanks.
There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you far now.
Go for it.
Good morning, my name's Sergeant Mays. I'm with the 185th Quartermaster Battalion. I'm the training NCO. And what we're doing today is I'm one of the CTT evaluators out here at Camp Robert for land navigation.
All right, so what's your name and rank?
I'm Specialist Del Rio.
Okay.
And first name is Richard. My family is Aurelia and Ariel. And today I'm out here in the field of a CCT site, training all necessary training that we will be needing while we're overseas. Our mission when we're in Iraq or wherever we may be will be to support whatever mission is going on and to achieve victory in the quickest manner possible.
All right, and what's your position?
I am a 92 Foxtrot, formerly a 77 Foxtrot, and I am a petroleum supply specialist.
All right. And do you have anything you want to say to the people back home?
Yeah, don't worry about it. We're in good hands.
Excellent. And thank you very much. So what are you doing here today?
We're just basically teaching first aid for the soldiers that are out there so they can take care of themselves. That's basically what we're doing.
Okay.
That way we get to know the soldiers, we get to make the soldiers feel more comfortable, and that way their family members are more comfortable.
We have 3 units coming through. It's 1072nd, 233rd, 133rd, and one more, the 223rd. And they're all getting checked up before they leave to Iraq. They're getting checked for cavities. They're getting their bite wings done. Getting checked for cavities, and whoever's has cavities coming in today and getting their teeth filled, and some are getting teeth pulled, and the last couple of days they were just getting bite wings. Now today we're handling the class 3 soldiers, so getting their cavities taken care of.
They're learning how to twist pin pull, thumb the safety, let the spoon fly, and throw it into an area of 5 meters by 5 meters.
All right, cool, thanks. All right, so what's your name and rank?
Specialist Santa Maria.
And what's your mission going to be in the upcoming mission?
Transport beans and bullets to the boys on the front line.
Starting here at the front table, they're showing their immunization cards. And the soldier here, Sergeant Terrio, is checking off what they need as far as their immunizations. Then they're moving on to the first station, which is the anthrax. And if they need anthrax, they stay there. And the next station here is tetanus and diphtheria. And once they're initialed off, all immunizations, they move on to the colonel for the final check.
Okay, thank you. And how you feeling about this upcoming shot giving over here?
I'm not too thrilled about it.
No, you're not a shot person? You ever given blood?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I needed money every once in a while, so I donated blood.
Excellent. All right, thank you very much.
Here we go, sir. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna put this needle inside of the eye.
Okay, what are you going to do first? You get in? What you have to do today is this last thing, which is IVs. You have to receive and give an IV in order to pass the course.
Okay. In order to pass the course?
In order to pass the course, you have to receive and give it.
What have you personally been doing for the past few days to prepare?
Personally, try to be positive about all the training,
Okay.
although it's tedious. Try to keep a positive attitude
Yeah.
and get through it.
And what do you want to say to the people at home?
Just keep us in your prayers.